Hi teachers, this is Casey with Organize and Educate, and I am the most excited to share my new Phonics Letter Tiles with you today. With the science of reading being underway in schools across the United States, we are making a huge change in our small group instruction. As we've learned through the science of reading, phonics instruction is the core of a strong reading foundation. And with my letter boards, they will empower students to learn both in the classroom and at home. So whether you are a family watching at home or a teacher wanting to enhance your small group instruction, these letter boards are just what you need. Let's look at a few of the key features. So to begin with, the letter tiles are color coded to make it super easy. So when my students get them out, they know to sort the pieces by color so they can easily find the pieces they need. These letter boards are perfect to facilitate hands-on learning. Once students have their stations ready, they can easily add and remove tiles to their letter board, so it's easy to change out sounds. And then when they have their sounds in there, they can slide their sounds together, look at the sounds individually, and then blend the word using this tactile bar at the bottom. Ch, n, chin. The arrow shows directionality and also helps them know how to place their letter board. Something else that maybe you noticed is the dots on all the letter pieces. This really shows that this product is designed by teachers for teachers. All of the letter tiles have a dot in the top corner. What makes this product really unique is you have the option to get these dots in different colors so that if you're working with a small group and you find a piece on the ground, because you will, you can easily match it up with the correct set. The dots are also available in different placement on the top of your tile so that you can collectively say the dot goes at the top and then of course easily match up the piece to the correct set of letter tiles. If you're a family looking to practice reading at home, these are also the perfect fit for you. I have reading videos that are on my YouTube channel that you can follow along and do lessons at home to support reading intervention for a variety of phonics skills, and they are very easy to store. Your student can be building words, you can swap out sounds and practice reading real or nonsense words. Being able to blend these words and feel the success of reading words and being able to blend them and do that both at school and at home is a great way to support the love of reading and really building those foundational phonics skills. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about how these can support your classroom or your child's learning at home, and I'm happy to answer that for you. But these are designed by teachers for teachers, and they are truly the perfect addition to your child or your student's reading instruction because they are hands-on and align beautifully with the science of reading and allow your child to really map their sounds and graphemes so that they can blend their words and feel that success as they are learning to read.